I love you, Allah.
The whole world is going through difficulty and hardship. Actually, even those who perhaps have seen days of ease in the past are going through some form of difficulty, calamity, hardship, sickness, disease, loss, whatever else it may be. Now, you need to ask yourself a question. We speak about the broken-hearted, someone who's broken-hearted. Did you know that Allah says in a hadith Qudsi, I am with the broken-hearted? If someone is broken-hearted, do you know that Allah is with that person? If you are broken-hearted, Allah is with you. Did you know that when you are broken-hearted, the angels are saying Ameen to any dua that you make? So don't say the bad words, the F's and the B's and the S and H's and so on. Don't say that, because the angels are saying Ameen. If you were to say a good dua at a time of hardship and difficulty, and when calamity strikes, you stand a better chance of goodness in the dunya and the akhirah than if you were to swear, become angry, become upset, start questioning Allah. Allah is in control from the very beginning. He knows, and He knows you and I, and He knows what we're going through and what we will be going through. May Allah make it easy. So regarding the broken-hearted, the first question you need to ask yourself is not about you. It's about someone else. When they are broken-hearted, what role have you played to break their heart? Did you hear what I just said? Many people are sitting saying, oh, I'm broken-hearted. But how many hearts have you broken? Subhanallah. And when I say how many hearts have you broken, I'm not talking of love stories here. We're talking of how difficult have you made the lives of others. Some of us are rotten when it comes to our character. Astaghfirullah. Some of us misbehave. Some of us, the way we speak to others is very rude. We don't make life easy for them. Do you think Allah is going to make life easy for you? كَانَ اللَّهُ فِي عَوْنِ الْعَبْدِ مَا كَانَ الْعَبْدُ فِي عَوْنِ أَخِيهِ. Allah will continue to help a slave for as long as that slave continues to help another. The opposite is true. When you make someone's life difficult, don't think that your life is going to be made any easy. No matter how powerful you are, no matter who you are, it is going to come for you.